Do you want to talk first or do you want me to talk?
Whatever you want.
No!
That's the hard part when it's two people.
Well,
You're like,
we've got to
tag,
go back and
go,
forth.
your turn.
We're Bond Design. Today we're talking about the Laurel Creek project. We've been working on this project for about a year and a half. It's about 20,000 square feet total. How would you describe the style?
I describe it as kind of a classic / French / eclectic. Our client is just really fun. She likes color, she likes details, she likes pattern, unique things, very, very detailed.
Hours of detail work.
Hours. When the client reached out to us initially, the project was already under construction, so we had to hit the ground running, full steam ahead, so we could make selections quickly and get ahead of schedule so we didn't hold the building up at all. Everything in there's ours now at this point. Yeah. We're really grateful we were able to get involved as soon as we were. It's going to be exquisite.
We want to show you guys where our vision started with the fabrics and the choices in the furnishings. Basically, this one fabric inspired the whole room for us. Yeah, this will be the drapery. And we wanted to pull out like all the colors in this because there's so many fun colors.
And we're playing off of a lot of these tonal greens, but we're also popping in some other fun accents. So we have like this gorgeous mohair that we're using. It's gonna be so pretty. And some other chenilles, but then we're popping in some fun corally pinks.
Yeah, so cute with this.
And like we have a little bit of like a blue pattern and a really fun stripe.
Pattern play.
Just a lot of pattern. Even the way the furniture's arranged is different.
Yeah. So the furniture was arranged based off you going on a trip, right?
Yeah.
Seeing inspiration. Yes. Where did you go?
I was in Nashville and we were actually touring through some older historic homes and we were in a sitting room. I was like, I love this. It's just a sitting room. There's no television. Today, I feel like everything's centered around the TV. So this was a spot we knew we were gonna have a television. We're like, let's go for like a really classic sitting room.
Yeah, so it's kind of grouped 3 different sitting sections almost, but they all work together too. So the cool thing about this room was our client actually had art pieces that she wanted to use, and they happened to be perfect with the fabrics.
So we get to use these, which were from her private collection, which she's had in storage for years, and she's always wanted to use it. Look at these gorgeous vintage botanicals.
Oh my gosh.
I know! Like, and this is actually the first time that we're seeing them all like unwrapped. I mean, how amazing is this gonna be? We're gonna do like a full walls with multiple of these.
So it'll cover like almost the whole wall with things. Yeah.
Like we're probably even gonna drop them so they're layered behind like the sofa.
Cool.
They're even better in person. We've only seen pictures before.
Yeah, they're awesome.
So we're really excited about this. And it's just neat because we get to bring something that is hers that she's been wanting to use. It will feel really authentic to her.
The eclectic part of this house, because we've kind of got that French eclectic thing going on. Lots of florals, lots of patterns, but then we have things like in the entry, we have this pop with this snake pattern we're gonna do on pillows.
We have this beautiful black and ivory silk stripe that's going on the settees.
So 2 settees in the entry, these as pillows.
And we did a fun pattern on the floor. We have big 24 by 24 marble set into wood. It just creates a really fun pattern. We did a Dutch door.
Double Dutch
store that's black steel and glass.
So the top opens to, the bottom opens to.
In the great room and the kitchen, which are one really large space, we wanted to just make it a little bit softer because this is your space that you're in every day. But really the main inspiration for this is the amazing kitchen. That we have the whole wall being made in Italy from Officina Gullo. It is brass and barely off-white metal. It's phenomenal.
It's a piece of art.
And it is setting the stage for this whole space. Again, it's just kind of mixing that metal in with like your more traditional woods. The island is definitely gonna look more classic and it's just gonna be so unique. It's on the water. It's headed to the United States now. It's been shipped. But we have some fun things in the kitchen that will just like give a little bit more personality. Like we have sconces where we did the shades in like this fun like little gingham. We have a custom made hutch.
Yes.
Where inside the hutch we're using this really beautiful floral. This floral actually feels a little Art Deco to me almost, slightly.
This is in the living room as well, and then on the dining chairs, which I think will be really cool. Some embroidery. This one, little foxes.
There's several guest suites on the upper level. They each have their own bathroom. They feel really private. And we wanted them each to have their own individual personality, but still be cohesive with the theme of the house. We have a lot of wallpaper going on. I'm gonna start with this one because it's our favorite one. We love it so much. This was the inspiration for this whole room, is this wallpaper.
We're gonna be doing a wallpaper on the ceilings and the walls because of the pitch. It just made the most sense, and I think it's actually going to be stunning to have it on the ceiling and the walls.
This is also a unique layout because we're going to have a large bed in the middle that will kind of run underneath the ridge line, and then we have 2 twin beds, which are going to be adorable. These are actually our twin beds. Look how cute that's going to be. Laura and I loved this Papa Yellow. It's very unexpected. Like, it's not really in the wallpaper, it's not really in anything, but somehow it just works. Yeah. And we just love the cheeriness that it brought to the room. So we're incorporating that. We have the darling little chairs coming in this tiny petite print.
We love that print.
We love that print. And again, we are pulling from Pierre Frey, just this beautiful embroidery floral. We actually have some really cool sconces that we're painting, we're having handmade, that are gonna be in this color, to just kind of pull it all together. Yeah. It's gonna be a really fun space.
In this guest bedroom, we kind of took similar style from the other rooms, but this one's a little more masculine, a little more moody. So we've got, you know, the wall covering is dark, floral, we've got plaids.
It's kind of a Ralph Lauren vibe.
Very Ralph Lauren.
Yeah. And we went a little darker. Again, we didn't want everything to feel too feminine, but in historical homes, masculine fabrics are still floral. We went with kind of more of a botanical wallpaper in this space, and then we're adding in some deeper tones of the greens with the black and like pinstripes, just things to keep it interesting and a little bit unexpected.
So in this guest room, this is our wall covering. So again, we do have a lot of florals in this house.
We're obsessed with this.
We love this. We've got stripes. This is adorable. We are obsessed. It's an embroidered fabric. Our client loves to see birds, pops of flowers. This was just perfect for them. We just felt like it worked so well in there.
Cute little window pane plaid, because we love plaid here at Bond.
We've talked a lot about the interior finishes, the fabric, the furniture.
We're excited to show you progress.
Yeah.
And we're headed over to the house in a couple days for site visit. We haven't even scratched the surface of this amazing home. We're really excited to keep showing you progress. Next time, we're gonna be talking about master suite, guest house coming up, the pool house. You are not gonna wanna miss it. This house is going to be epic.